This is a message you needed to hear today. God wants you to know you are not behind. Life can be challenging, and sometimes we need a reminder of where we stand in the bigger picture. Today, God has a specific message just for you, designed to bring peace and comfort to your heart. You are not behind where you are supposed to be. And, more importantly, you are absolutely not forgotten. The emotional weight you've been carrying, the silent battles, and the inner struggles is valid. You are not weak for feeling tired. You have been fighting battles others don't even see, and weariness is a natural result. God is reminding you that everything you've been carrying in silence has been seen. Not a single burden has escaped notice. Every tear, every struggle, and every moment of doubt has a purpose. Nothing you have endured has been wasted. That delay you can't quite understand? God says it's actually protection, shielding you from something you weren't ready for yet. The pain you survived is not just a scar. It is actively shaping a deep, invaluable wisdom within you. It's time to remember that your foundation of strength is being rebuilt, deeper and quieter than before. That strength you believe you've lost is not gone. It's being quietly and profoundly rebuilt within your spirit. Now is the time to slow down. Take a deep breath, release the need to control everything, and choose to trust again. Have faith in God's plan, knowing that He has good things prepared for you. What is truly meant for you has absolutely not passed you by. It waits for you ahead. In fact, those very things you desire are aligning, even now, in ways you cannot yet perceive. Remember this message as you continue your journey. God's grace is sufficient for you. You don't need to have all the answers today. The pressure to figure everything out immediately is lifted. Focus simply on taking the next right step. That is all that is required of you right now. Always remember, God is walking with you every step of the way.